Can cats have night terrors? If you've ever witnessed your cat twitching, making noises, or even screaming while they're asleep, you might be wondering if cats can have night terrors, just like humans do. Let's explore this together to understand what's going on with your feline friend. First, it's important to know that cats do dream, just like we do. During their sleep, especially in the REM phase, cats can exhibit behaviors that look like they're chasing something or reacting to some stimulus. This is quite normal and can be seen in the form of twitching legs or ears. However, there are instances where a cat's behavior during sleep can be more intense and disturbing. For example, if your cat starts making loud noises, tossing and turning, and even waking up screaming, it could be indicative of a night terror. This is different from the usual dreaming behavior, as it involves more intense reactions and can leave your cat shaken and scared once they wake up. Night terrors in animals, including cats, are described as sudden, fearful reactions that occur during transitions from one sleep phase to another. These reactions can be triggered by various factors such as physical or emotional trauma, stress, or even certain medications. For instance, if your cat has experienced a traumatic event, it could replay in their sleep, causing heightened brain activity in regions associated with memory and emotions. Another key point is that night terrors can be distinguished from regular dreaming by the intensity of the reactions. If your cat is experiencing night terrors, they might display rapid eye movements, rapid breathing, twitching, and uncontrolled body movements. They might also make sounds like barking, growling, or purring, and even exhibit intense chewing or biting behaviors. If you suspect your cat is having night terrors, it's crucial to handle the situation carefully. Avoid waking your cat suddenly during an episode, as this can leave them feeling unsafe and disoriented. Instead, let them sleep through the episode and record their behavior to show to your veterinarian. If you believe your cat is in extreme physical pain or needs immediate medical attention, it's best to wake them up gently by calling their name. To minimize night terrors, ensure your cat has a quiet, dark, and comfortable sleeping environment. This can help reduce stress and make their sleep more peaceful. If the episodes are particularly violent, a crate might be necessary for their safety. In summary, yes, cats can have night terrors, and these can be caused by a variety of factors, including stress, trauma, and certain health conditions. By understanding these signs and taking the right precautions, you can help your cat have a more peaceful and safe sleeping experience.